Hey guys, this is Amma from my friend's Facebook video for your preference. So guys, today I'm going to unbox GIZGA, which is accessory for my MacBook Air. So I bought it for around 300. That's it. Not even 300. It's around 330. This is how it looks. I just purchased because I got it for a very less price. I saw the reviews also. It's good. We have just a single thing. It's MRP is of 999, but in Amazon you can get it for around 300. I'll be providing not 300 in the sale. I got it for 300, but in general days you'll be finding it around for 400 or something. Yeah, this is good. This looks good, and here you can place your charger or something. This is actually for 14-inch laptop, so for any 14-inch laptop you can purchase this. So I purchased it for MacBook Air. So here you have GIZGA essentials. Here you have one zip where you can, for charger or for pen drives or something, you can place it here. You have the main compartment here where you can place the laptop, everything here. And on the back we have nothing, and the quality looks okay for 250 rupees. MacBook Air into the 2017 model actually. So but I bought it for around in 2018, so you can clearly check it. I'm just placing it over here. That's okay. Oh god, gone. Nothing happened. Yeah, we don't have any, I guess. Yeah, here you have not that much of you can clearly check. Here you don't have not that much, but here you have very good this point present here. So on the bottom we have very less. Yeah, so a little bit of disappointment, but that's okay under this price. I just purchased it because not to fall dust on the MacBook. So yeah, it fits easily. So this is how the essentials, and of course you can find the PayPal link in the description below where you can purchase it from Amazon. So this is the packaging looks like. This good. In fact, you don't have any carrying costs, but yeah, it's very good to carry. And yeah, here see in general like this it's okay, but in the corner it's hitting hard. In this side corner it's hitting hard, but normal down and on the bottom there is no problem with the sponge present here, but in the corners we have a small problem, so just be cautious about it. I just want to keep it on. I'll be having another laptop bag, so just for the power, without any scratches or something, for protective purposes I just ordered this. And of course the best links will be present in the description below where you can purchase from there. Guys, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.